Hello everyone, so we would like to share another video in how many cable, how many connector plug in the Holden Commodore VF, and this one is 2013-2016 generation, which belong to this one is belonging to the 2013 Commodore. So we already removed the head unit and the LCD screen and unplug all the thing. If you want to know how to do that, just look at the video in our channel. And here is the unit before we just pull it out from bottom and carefully put it on the side. Okay, so here we go. Look at this one. Behind the unit we already unplugged, and it has those cable and connector. So at the bottom it has 5 of them. Okay, one of the big main cable, one of the blue, one of the gray one of the black USB for sure, and this one is the antenna. I believe that it is about the radio antenna. So 5 of them at the bottom, and if you want to know that, on the top it has other 3 connector as well. So 1 blue, 1 gray, and 1 black. Okay, with the white insert. So in total you see 3 on the top, 5 at the bottom. That's all the cable in the Holden VF Commodores, and yep, that's the one. So this one, SV6 Commodore VF. Thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.